So in this video, we are going to learn how to download Character AI application on a device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store in your device. In the search bar, type in Character AI and click on Search. Now click on this icon. After that, click on Get. You may need to verify if it is your first time downloading it. After your download is completed, you can click on Open to use the application. You can also find Character AI application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use the application. And that is how you can download Character AI in your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.